And you have this natural inclination that you're following, just this little bounce and wiggle, a little shifting of your weight in your feet, and the rolling around of your body weights inside your skin.
Huh. Is that pleasant?
Relieving. Maybe that action in me could be timed in some way with my breathing.
Mm-hmm. I've got a whole different experience of observing your spine and the ricochet of movement up into your head and neck. Uh-huh.
Permission to have body-centric experiences. Like that. That was great.
A moment for external and internal beautifying.